All right, you guys, welcome in. Happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. I am Lita from SciAnts. And today, first things first, we are doing an unboxing that the generous Horizon group has sent us today. It is an unboxing of STEM toys that are Star Wars themed. So of course it's being released today. And let's check out, I believe it's just the beginning of their product line, but we're gonna see what they've sent us. Here we go. May the unboxing commence. All right, we got our Star Wars markings. Something is motion activated. I don't know what. I will prepare to not be frightened. Wow, this is an elaborate box. Let's see what it takes for me to... You guys, we have LED action. We have LED action. Okay, may the force be with you. Which is perfect because this particular product line is rolling out, is featuring non-Newtonian fluids. And what is it that makes a non-Newtonian fluid special? It reacts differently depending how much force is applied to it. Let's see what we have here, you guys. We have a set of 4, it seems. We have Darth Vader. We'll show the same little lineup. Grogu! Look who's here, you guys. Grogu from The Mandalorian. His companion, keeping him safe, Mando. And Stormtrooper White. They're all sensory slime. They have different features to each of them, though. So let's pull one of these out, and we'll just talk for a quick minute about what the deal is with these guys. The little containers, I think, are adorable. You get a little Grogu head staring at you, smiling. Okay, along with it, we have a collector's card, and it has a little science fact on the back of it. Your slime can act like a liquid or solid depending on how much force you apply to it. When you squeeze or pull it, this makes it a non-Newtonian fluid. I like that you can keep the little collector's cards. They're really cute. Grogu. Let's try Darth Vader. Woo! Darth Vader is some proper slime. This is our collector's card. Okay, oh, an object looks black like your slime when it absorbs all colors of visible light. So there's no light to reach your eyes. This is why black is sometimes said to have no color. So this just means when you see something red, if you see a red apple and it's in daylight, daylight has all of the colors of the rainbow in it. And that red apple is actually absorbing all of the colors except red. It's bouncing red back off of it. And that red reaches your eyes. And that's why it appears to be red. Okay, here we go, guys. Slime. This is proper slime. Can you guys see how shiny this is? I feel very sci-fi with it. All right, you guys, so this is what we have for the unboxing sent by Horizon Group. In this very fancy LED. I know I showed you guys when I had it in it. With LEDs. Who does that? What a boss move. Okay. You guys, we have a little set. First release of slime. Why is it that we think slime is cool? Aside from the fact that we get Star Wars collector's cards with little science facts on the back of them. Slime is amazing because it's a non-Newtonian fluid. What the heck is a non-Newtonian fluid, you might be asking yourself? Well, completely unprompted. I'm glad you asked. A non-Newtonian fluid acts differently, in this case under force. So it means if you're very gentle with it, it's going to act a little more liquid-like. It's going to be oozy. It's going to stretch. But if I were to slam it against the wall, which you wouldn't be able to see, so we're not going to do it, or if I was to suddenly apply force, right? I didn't stretch it nicely. I wasn't gentle with it. I just manhandled it, right? We're runny, we're oozy here. We're changing the viscosity is what we're doing, right? But if I pull suddenly, it just rips apart. It breaks. You might almost think that it's acting like a solid. And that's one of the really cool features about this, you guys. It is a little bit of a fidget toy. So you can just goof around with it. It's a sensory toy, I believe is what they call it. But there are some fun principles of physics. We have 4 slime kits by Horizon with both Star Wars themed and some fun STEM concepts that you guys can check out if you're so inclined. And we're glad that they sent us this little box of goodies.